Okay, so hi Ivan, good evening.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
So can you tell us what did you participate in CTF or placement?
I took part in the placement drive, and I have to say that the experience was very good.
Okay.
I have never seen something so systematic when it comes to placements.
Okay.
So everything was very well planned right from the inauguration till how the event flow went.
Okay.
And eventually, when the time for placements came, we were all very nervous, but everyone like boosted our confidence, saying that confidence is very important,
Yes.
which was an indirect sign that the recruiters are actually looking for confidence.
Yes, absolutely.
So that's what we actually took up our sleeves and decided to participate.
Okay, and overall, how was your experience of HackOline Security Conference 2023?
It was great. I really appreciate the time and effort MR Web Secure has taken in putting up such a grand event. The speakers were also very good, especially the third speaker actually highlighted the entire process of CTF. So there were people who didn't actually take part. So that was actually a kickstart for them.
Absolutely.
With regard to how you should start your CTF journey and how
Okay.
important it is from technical perspective.
Okay, so if we have a HackOline Security Conference 2024, would you want to be a part of it?
Yes, I'd definitely like to be a part of it. I was a part this time as well. I was volunteering as well as I took part in the recruitment.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.